Before you spend your money on a dropshipping supplier, there's one question you need to answer. Can BigBuy actually give you enough value and profit to make the business worthwhile? In this BigBuy Dropshipping Review 2026, I looked closely at what the platform offers, how its dropshipping system works, and the results you can realistically expect from using it. BigBuy is a European-based supplier that provides access to a large product catalog, inventory synchronization, order fulfillment, and integrations with e-commerce platforms and marketplaces, including Shopify and WooCommerce. One of its biggest advantages is the sheer range of products available, which can make it easier to test different niches without sourcing every item yourself. However, having thousands of products doesn't automatically mean you'll have good profit margins. Product costs, subscription or service fees, marketplace expenses, taxes, and shipping can all reduce your actual earnings, so the numbers need to be checked carefully before committing. Shipping and fulfillment are another important factor. BigBuy can be convenient for European-focused businesses, but delivery speed, shipping costs, and customer expectations can vary depending on the destination and product. The platform's integrations can also save time by helping synchronize inventory, prices, and orders, although setting everything up may require some technical understanding. After looking at the overall experience, the biggest positives are its extensive catalog, e-commerce integrations, and fulfillment infrastructure, while the main concerns are pricing, competition, additional cost, and whether your chosen products leave enough room for profit. So, is BigBuy worth it in 2026? The answer isn't simply yes or no. It may make sense for sellers targeting the European market who want an established supplier and automation tools, but beginners working with very small budgets may find the costs harder to justify. Overall, BigBuy looks like a legitimate e-commerce solution with useful features, but your results will depend heavily on product selection, pricing strategy, target market, and shipping economics. Make sure you calculate your real profit per order before signing up.